Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to draw this shape using a combination of absolute coordinates, relative coordinates, and polar coordinates in Autocad. So without further ado, let's crack into it. First, we need to click the line command, or we can just simply type L, then press enter. Starting with the absolute point, type 1, 1 for our starting point or the origin point. Then going to another absolute point, press F8 to turn ortho mode on for it to form a straight line. Then type hashtag 4.1, 1, then press enter. Then press again F8 to turn ortho mode off. For our next point, just simply type hashtag 4.5, 2.2, then enter. Next, we are going to the relative coordinates. Type at 2.3 for our x-axis, 0 for our y-axis. And then for the next point, we have an angle of 30. Why 30? To recall how AutoCAD measures angles, 0 degrees is always in the right or to the east direction. So if the angles is measured counterclockwise and it is from the positive x-axis, the angles are positive. And if the angles is measured clockwise, the angles are negative. So since we are going counterclockwise, we need to subtract 180 degrees to 150 degrees. That's why we have 30 degrees. So type at 1.4, then press tab, 30 degrees. Then going up, type at 0 for our x-axis, 2.1 for our y-axis. Continuing on to the next angle, subtract 270 degrees to 150 degrees. We have 120 degrees. So type at 1.6, then press tab, 120 degrees. Continuing on to the next point, type at negative 1.3 for our x-axis, 0 for our y-axis. And then for the next line, type at 0 for our y-axis, negative 1.4 for our y-axis since we are going downwards. And for the next angle, we are going upwards and we are in the 90 degrees. And we need to add 45 degrees. So 90 degrees plus 45 degrees is 135 degrees. So we need to type at 2.2, then press tab, type 135 degrees. For a straight line, since we are going to the left, type at negative 1 for our x-axis, 0, then enter. And then add 45 degrees to 180 degrees. So we need to type at 1.5, then press tab, 225 degrees, then press enter. Again, for the straight line, type at negative 1, 0, enter. For the next angle, type at 2.3, then press tab, negative 60 degrees, then enter. And for the last line, just close the line back to the starting point. And then press the escape tab. And that's the end of this video. Thank you and goodbye.